After 9/11, in a span of 10 months, in USA alone, 34,000 Americans accepted Islam. According to Johan Redley, in Europe, in a span of 9 months after 9/11, 22,000 Europeans accepted Islam. However much the time to attack Islam, more Islam is spreading. As Allah says in the Quran in Surah Imran, chapter 3, verse 54, Makaru wa makarallahu wallahu khairul makirin. They planned and plotted. Allah too planned. Allah is the best of planners. More they try, more the world is trying to suppress Islam, that much Islam is growing. It's growing at a phenomenal rate. And because it's the promise of Allah. Allah promises in the Quran in no less than 3 different places. In Surah Tawbah chapter 9 verse number 33, in Surah Fatah chapter 48 verse number 28, and in Surah Saf chapter 61 verse number 9, Allah says, Huwa allazi arsala rasulahu bil huda wa dinul haq liyuzhirahu ala ad-din kulli. That Allah has sent His messenger with the religion of truth, so that will prevail over all the other religions, kulle, over all the other religions, whether it be Christianism, Judaism, Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, socialism, atheism. Islam is destined to supersede all, kulle, master them all.